The northwest of the United States is an area with tall mountains and thick forests. The air is cold, and so there is snow, a lot of snow, up to about 15 meters a year. And when it is windy, the snow becomes a blizzard. A blizzard is a snowstorm with very strong winds. In a blizzard, there is snow everywhere. In the cities, in the country, and on the roads. A blizzard is very dangerous. Many roads close. When roads are open, drivers can't see. A blizzard can last for 3 hours. And it is very cold. The temperature falls to minus 12 degrees Celsius. The big white cloud you can see here is a storm. It is going toward the northwest of the United States. In the cold air of the mountains, the storm becomes a blizzard. Snow begins to fall from the clouds. Snow can be a big problem for people, like the driver of this car. Near the mountains and forest, there is more and more snow. He has a good car, but it becomes stuck in the thick snow. He leaves the car and tries to walk. But it is cold and he is far from the city. He goes back to his car. The car is a safe place for him. There are tomatoes to eat and water to drink. The car is cold, but he can turn on the engine to keep warm. Every day, he cleans snow from the car so people can see him. This blizzard lasts for 15 days. Finally, a policeman sees the car. The driver is saved.